Moby Landy. Quick little update. Fitted some nice shiny bits. Allisport radiator and intercooler, including the silicone hoses and auxiliary hoses. It's a bit of a looks absolutely fantastic. It's been a little while I worked on the Land Rover due to some building works being carried out at home, which is basically hasn't gone quite to plan, but it's taken a lot of my time up. Plus also the dreaded work commitments like we all have to deal with in the real world. But yeah, so I haven't done much to the Land Rover, but I've just had a little bit of a play around. I also fitted the winch, which I've had for a little while. It's not powered up, but the wiring is all ready to go. I just need to get some more conduit for the negative cable, just to give it some protection. It's not quite as critical as the positive, but because the chassis is negative. But under there's a Winch Max winch. Synthetic rope. I haven't fitted to it yet because apparently you've got to load it on while the vehicle's under load. So you tie it to a fence post and you spool it in while it drags the vehicle closer. So it keeps it nice and tight on the spool. But there's the old girl. It's looking a little bit sad at the moment, but the bulkhead is being, I'm just hopefully get the bulkhead painted over the next week. Then I'll get the B and C posts taken off because they're only temporary fitted to get them painted. I'm still trying to sort out all this badly corroded aluminium and steel reaction. So I've got some replacement bits which all come from a company called YRM Solutions, Metal Solutions. Bought a lot of their materials for this build, including the B and C posts, which are all galvanised. So I tend to keep the vehicle for a long time, so there's a lot of future proofing a little bit, putting gaskets in but so the aluminium and the steel don't react. But the next task is to get the bulkhead taken off and get the new one fitted as soon as I've got it painted, and then start transferring all the auxiliaries across, the heater box, steering box, dashboard, all the usual crap. I'm sure there's a lot more money to spend because I'm guaranteed I'm going to break something like I normally do when I'm taking stuff apart. But yeah, I can't wait to get this running properly. Look at the size of the intercooler. And I'll just bend down here and just pick it up. And there's the old intercooler. The new one is about a third bigger and about a third thicker. So there's going to be some transfer of cooling air going through nicely through the turbo and on the intake pipe. But there we are. So a short little update on Moby Landy. So catch up with you soon. Don't forget to visit our TikTok shop where we've got some beanie hats which need to be sold. They're at £8.50 plus postage. And we also have a website, but if you want to message me, because some of the items like the bulkhead and some of the other bits I've taken off which are reusable will be for sale. I will be putting them online soon. I was hoping to go to the Auto Jumble at Newbury this coming weekend, but due to sadly other commitments, I'm not going to be able to make it. But hopefully I'll get this build completed for the August bank holiday and then get playing with it. Get on and do some green lanes, do the obligatory shopping trip to Sainsbury's like everyone else does in their four-wheel drives, park on the curb just to piss somebody off, just to prove it's a four-wheel drive, but why not? Catch up with you soon. Take care. Moby Landy signing off.